Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited to share this sale purchase. This is from the Chanel 2024 sale that happened end of December, beginning of January of this year. And this is based on accessories, shoes, and ready-to-wear from the year prior. If the sale was counted as like 2023 winter sale, 2024, but it's from all the stuff from 2022. And this is a special piece of costume jewelry. I haven't seen a whole lot of costume jewelry in the past couple of sales. It just has to do with like how much stock is left over, but this was a piece that I didn't see in Canada actually. And when it came out, I asked about it, and they didn't order it. So yes, like boutiques will have stock shuffled around from boutique to boutique. So I was like so happy to receive this. So it's a piece of really nice jewelry from one of the Métier d'Art collections. This is the box that it came in, and I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. It is so special. It's so nice. I'm just gonna chuck the ribbon off. And so when I saw, I jumped. I was like, wow, like I really need to have this, because I remember looking at the selection of these items, asking about them, and they just weren't available. So little care card, and then this is the jewelry pouch. Very standard jewelry pouch. If you hear packaging ruffling, it's because baby's on the floor and likes to play with tissue paper. So we're gonna be, maybe I should give her something that's not as noisy, but hopefully the camera doesn't pick up on it too much. So here is the pouch, and I can't wait for you to see this piece. It's nicely protected. And gosh, I don't know if I can really present this properly. This is the piece. So it is like a double necklace. It's got a pearl strand and a gold chain strand. And this is from the 2022 Métier d'Art collection, which is 22A. I had to take a break because she was eating the tissue paper, so we had to stop her from doing that. But this is the piece, and it is a lion, and lions are one of the central motifs of the house. And this is a piece by Goossens. And it is gold plated and made in France. So this is how the necklace goes. There's like a lion motif. Don't hit that. And a pearl that dangles. On the back side it says Chanel. You can see, there we go. We've got a CC on the drop, and then some branding, of course, at the back. And it's like a 2-in-1 necklace, so when you wear it, you're not like having to layer yourself. So I'm going to put this on so you see what it looks like. So here is what it looks like. So it's like a 2-in-1, but you don't have to like layer it yourself. It stays put. It looks like I'm wearing a pearl necklace with this, and you have this quite hefty lion that's here. Has a really nice effect with like a V-neck. Super pretty. I'm so happy to have this piece. Very special. The Métier d'Art collection has some really stunning pieces, and this is a lot of the costume jewelry for Métier d'Art. They usually do Goossens, so really stunning. So yeah, sometimes, you know, in the sales you can find pieces that you missed out on. Typically with costume jewelry or other accessories, I find the ones that do go into the sale are the ones that were higher priced to begin with and nobody wanted to pay that price or bought it, so then it gets reduced and then people are like, oh, this is a nice piece. Or it's some of the jewelry that is a bit different and it's not obviously like you know, CC logo, even though this does have a CC logo, but like not a lot of people would really gravitate towards this. They'd want more of the double C necklaces and earrings, you know, which you usually get within every season. So they're more classic and people want to go for that. But I think this is just a stunning piece. It is definitely a conversation starter. I really like the lion motif even more because my daughter is a Leo, so there's a nice little connection there. So I thought I'd share that with you. I'm excited to wear this, you know, even day to day or dressed up. Really, really stunning, or layered with like other longer necklaces as well, but really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very short. This is the one item that I wanted to show you. I did some sale videos. Bless you. Bless you. I did some videos of some of the sale finds that I got, which were mostly ready to wear in shoes. And this was the one piece of costume jewelry that I was able to get. And it came in later. I was just waiting on stuff getting delivered. And then I have actually a coat that is being altered. It was done, but then I wanted to make some changes, so I'll share that with you whenever that comes in. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my other videos. Take care. Bye.